How to get permanent residency in Panama as a spouse of Panamanian. If you are willing to navigate the legal process of obtaining permanent residency in Panama as a spouse of a Panamanian citizen, we will guide you through the key steps to get started. We will answer questions such as what documents are required, what is the interview process like, what are the benefits of permanent residency. By the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding of the residency process and you will be ready to take the necessary steps to secure your residency in Panama. The Provisional Residency Permit for Family Reunification. Your journey toward permanent residency starts with getting the Provisional Residency Permit for Family Reunification. This permit is valid for 2 years. During this time, you need to meet certain requirements and gather the necessary documents. The process involves three main steps: collecting all required documents, attending a marriage interview, and receive the provisional permit. Once you successfully complete these 2 years, you can apply for permanent residency. Here's detailed breakdown of the steps involved. Step number one, gather your documents. In order to request this permit, you must gather the necessary documents listed below: a notarized power of attorney, a copy of your passport notarized, a criminal background check duly apostilled, a health certificate from a licensed healthcare professional in Panama, an official bank check for $2,500 made of the national treasure, an affidavit of your personal history, your marriage certificate from the civil register, your spouse birth certificate from the civil registry, and birth certificates of your children if they were born in Panama, a copy of your Panamanian spouse ID authenticated, and notarized letter from responsibility from your spouse. Proof living together like a lease agreement or utility bill. Next, prepare for a marriage interview with immigration officials. They will make sure your marriage is genuine. If you have two children together, this interview may be waived. Immigration officials may also inspect your home to confirm you genuinely live together and there is no fraud involved in your application. Step 2, Marriage Interview. Once you pass the interview and submit all your documents, you will get a provisional resident permit. This is valid for 2 years and a big step toward your permanent residency. The entire process can take several months, so it is important to start early.
Find us online at www.ndm.com.pa for easy to understand legal support. Our website offers the latest legal information to keep you informed. It's clear, straightforward, and always up to date. If legal terms seems confusing, don't worry. Our website makes it simple to connect with friendly and knowledgeable lawyers who can explain everything you need to know. Facing immigration questions or business legalities, our attorneys are here for you. We make it easy to get the advice you need when you need it. Need legal assistance? Just visit ndm.com.pa.
Step number 3. After the marriage interview, you can obtain the residency provisional valid for 2 years. In this step of the process, you go to immigration office and take a photo of the new ID, and we need to pay $50 for the ID. Permanent residency for family reunification. After the initial 2 year period, you can apply for permanent residency for family reunification. The process is similar to the provisional permit, with a few exceptions. You will not to get to provide a criminal background check or a certificate check for $2,500. As of 2022, demonstrating economic solvency is also not required. Benefits of obtaining residency through marriage. Obtaining permanent residency through marriage to a Panamanian citizen comes with several benefits. You can reside indefinitely in Panama. You can apply for a work permit with the Ministry of Labor immediately. The work permit allows you to work for any company without the need for additional government permit. You can contribute to Panama's social security system, and you can apply for a tax resident certificate to avoid double taxation, if applicable. Interview and home inspection. It's important to know that the immigration department conducts thorough interview and may inspect your home. They want to confirm that you genuinely cohabit and that there is no fraud involved in your application. In conclusion, starting the process to get permanent residency in Panama as the spouse of Panamanian citizenship can seem complicated, but with the right help and preparation, it can be straightforward. Panama values family reunification, and the system is designed to help you build and live together in the great country. If you considering this process, it's a good idea you work with experts who know Panamanian immigration law well. They can help you get the necessary paperwork and give you through the entire process, making it easier to settle up into your new home. If you have another question, leave your comment below or contact us in our website. See you soon.